Hello everyone and welcome to this video. I will show with you step by step how to log into Classlink. So if you want to log into this website, follow me in this guide. All you have to do, go to Google, search for this keyword Classlink, log in, click the first website, you will see this page. So to log in this case, follow me in steps. You have a class in, write your login page, just choose by my location, choose my location, you click allow, and then choose, for example, this one. You will be loading this page. Just from this page, sign up with Microsoft, click this one and complete your Microsoft login process. So basically this is how you can do. Just choose your Microsoft login and then write your account. After that, click next. Basically this is how you can do to log in your Classlink. It is easy steps. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget to give like and share this video for more content, and see you another video soon. Just click sign in option and then complete your class